You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn what is the meaning of this number as a Roman numeral. How do you write it and why? How do you pronounce it? This is number 11, Roman numeral 11. X is for 10. The I, the bar, is for 1. So it's 1 above 10, or 10 plus 1. That is 11. How to pronounce it? What is the meaning of XI, number 10, Roman numeral? Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.